Gorgeous, aren't they? They're also delicious and really easy to make. Ciao, I'm Maribel from Taste of Italy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous appetizer. It's actually one of the most requested dishes in my cooking classes in Italy. Buon appetito, enjoy. This is what I do in my class. Take a small spoon and we taste it. What are we looking for? Well, can I taste the Parmigiano? Is it coming through nice and strong? In this case, no. So I have a little bit more Parmigiano, a teaspoon that I'm going to throw in there. Can I taste the sweetness of the nutmeg? Is it light, medium, or strong? If it's strong, it's probably too strong. It should be around medium. If it's light, it won't come through in the final product. We add a little bit more. So I will add just a small, tiny amount. If you needed to, you could add a little bit more parsley. Or if you have more ricotta, you can add that. So this is why I don't give out recipes, because you may need more, you may need less. It also depends on your Parmigiano. If your Parmigiano is a young one, 12-month-old, it's going to be sweeter. So you need more of it, or add a pinch of salt to make it, give it that umami. Otherwise, if you have a 24, 30, or 36 month, there's plenty of umami in there, no salt required. and you may need a smaller amount. This is why I always begin with 2 tablespoons per 125 grams or 100 grams of ricotta. This is cow's ricotta, which is sweeter than sheep or goat. And we'll taste again, and I can always grate more cheese if necessary. This is I'm using a 30-month, which I'm in love with. It's not salty at all. There's plenty of umami in there. It's fine, perfect. I'm going to use a small spoon, as small as you can get. This is an espresso spoon. And very gently slide it all the way into the bottom of the blossom. Put your thumb down there, hold it in place, and slide the spoon out. If you need to, you can do that. And then we're going to fold over the blossom and twist in the same direction of the fold. So, like so. This is a larger one, so I'm going to be a little bit more generous with the filling. Heaping coffee spoon and open that. Okay. Put my thumb there very gently. Pull the spoon out, and here you go. Lay that down, fold over, and twist. Twist. Don't forget to check the description box below 4th of some tips and tricks that I didn't get a chance to mention here on the video. Buon appetito!